Have you been watching the Lucid stock this past few days? You're probably wondering why it's going down. Don't worry. Analysts suggest that the declining pattern of Lucid stock price might end soon, and the shares might rally. The stock price of Lucid Group Incorporated has been following a falling pattern, which is an interesting development. It has even tried to break free from this trend after testing the $17.82 resistance level. There is also speculation among analysts that Lucid might initiate its rally in 2023 if it successfully breaks away from the current downtrend. So if you're a Lucid investor or plan to be one, make sure to stick with us till the end because we will tell you everything you need to know about the Lucid stock. But to better understand how its stock is going, it's important to first know Lucid's background. Lucid Motors is a luxury electric vehicle company founded in 2007 by Sam Wang and Bernard Tse. It was originally known as Ativa, which began as a battery technology startup, supplying batteries for electric buses and luxury cars. In 2016, the company focused solely on creating its own EVs and rebranded as Lucid Motors. In September 2020, the company unveiled its first vehicle, the Lucid Air, which is a high-performance luxury sedan with a range of over 500 miles. Lucid Motors went public in July 2021 through a merger with Churchill Capital Corporation for raising $4.4 billion in proceeds to fund the expansion of its manufacturing facilities and product lineup. Now, Lucid has recently been making headlines, which is affecting its stock price. On March 9, its stock price reached a flat $8 but dropped to $7.93 by March 22. Lucid's share price has been trading within a decreasing parallel channel and attempts to sustain and move beyond it. Wall Street analysts have confirmed that the upcoming rally will bring Lucid's share price back to its $20 recovery level, and they think the Lucid share price must overcome this declining streak to sustain and recover from the current level. But the good thing is, Lucid shares have shown promise and could go higher. To reach $20, the stock price needs to break through the main resistance point of $9 and exceed $10. And reports from a reputable financial organization predict a rally in Lucid shares in 2023. In addition, the Lucid Group Incorporated aims to uphold its reputation among other electric vehicles companies such as Rivian, Tesla, NIO, EVgo, and Givo. Lucid is believed to be a better choice in the EV market than other EV utility manufacturers due to the sustainability issues they face. There are even reports that compare Tesla and Lucid in the electric vehicles market, with Lucid being favored. Lucid's stock price is currently going down through a decreasing channel. Despite this, analysts predict the stock might start rallying once it breaks free from the falling pattern. However, there's a need for growth in volume change since it's currently below average. The share price has decreased below the 20, 50, 200, and 200-day daily moving average. In fact, Lucid recently experienced a 7.87% weekly loss, causing its stock price to drop by 1.62% in market capitalization. Furthermore, another stock analyst also had some thoughts on the company. Lucid Motors' recent performance has been under examination, and it seems like the stock has stabilized just below $8 per share after dropping significantly in February. Despite this, caution is advised to investors considering purchasing Lucid stock right now. And even if the market has accounted for the company's most recent negative news, there is still no guarantee that Lucid's fortunes will turn around quickly, even though the stock has gone up by $1.76 or 28.58% year-to-date as of March 23. Lucid's price briefly increased in late January and early February due to takeover rumors but has since dropped to a very low level due to recent negative news. And in the past month, it has fallen by -$2.05 or -20.59%. Although Lucid has some competitive advantages over other new electric vehicle manufacturers, it does not appear to be making significant progress in its operations. In addition, Lucid may not experience significant upward momentum unless there is evidence that it is successfully resolving its production-related issues and experiencing an increase in buyer demand. Lucid's EV has received a buy rating from 10 analysts on Wall Street for its performance in the past 3 months. Out of those, 4 suggest a strong buy, 5 suggest a hold, and 1 suggests a strong sell. The average price forecast for next year is $10.69, with a target indicating a 35.8% upside. The highest price target for next year is $16, which is a 103% increase from its current price. TradingView's one-day gauges show bearish technical indicators for Lucid with a sell sentiment at 15, and moving averages indicate a strong sell at 14. It's also interesting to note that an AI tool called ChatGPT predicts an increase in electric vehicle producer stock by the end of the decade. In fact, ChatGPT predicts that the range will be between $300 to $400 by 2030. Before we continue, we want to thank you for watching this far. But let's know more about Lucid. Lucid has been experiencing difficulty scaling up production despite resolving supply chain bottlenecks. Only 7,180 cars were delivered in 2022, and the plan for this year is to manufacture between 10,000 and 14,000 vehicles. The demand for Lucid Air is also uncertain, with reservations decreasing from 37,000 to 28,000 since August. Lucid's advantage over other struggling EV companies is significant because of its strong support from Saudi Arabia. This support comes from investment cash from the Public Investment Fund and a 100,000 car order placed by the Saudi government. Without more concrete evidence that the company is addressing its production issues, investors must rely on buyer demand and analyst projections to gauge the stock's future performance. Lucid's stock price has been quite volatile since the Special Purpose Acquisition Company or SPAC began trading a few years back. It's worth noting that the company isn't expected to turn a profit anytime soon, but that might not be a concern if it can successfully compete with Tesla. With a wide range of vehicle models priced from $87,000 to $250,000, Lucid has something for everyone. The company also plans to significantly increase its production capacity in the coming years. Lucid has a unique style, identity, and capability, just like the fancy Teslas. If there's a competitor to Tesla's electric vehicle monopoly, Lucid is the top pick. And despite concerns about inaccurate Lucid's production estimates, Tesla also had a similar issue in the past. Furthermore, the Saudi Arabian Wealth Fund recently increased its investment in Lucid and currently holds a significant stake in the company at around 66% of all shares. Lucid's production capacity can be increased whether or not the Saudis acquire the business. The company plans to produce between 10,000 and 14,000 vehicles this year, with a significant increase expected in 2024. The company's share price is expected to rise significantly in the coming years. Analyst projections for sales and EPS are currently unrealistically low and may be surpassed. In addition, surge in the stock price is expected to occur soon, and most analysts in Wall Street suggest increasing your position in Lucid. A prominent analyst from Seeking Alpha also suggests staking Lucid stock before it's too late. So, will Lucid stock reach $20 soon? Lucid stock price attempts to break out of the descending parallel channel on the daily chart. The downtrend momentum of Lucid stock price is indicated by technical indicators. Lucid Group investors will have to wait until the primary resistance level at $9 is broken before the stock price can remain above $10. And for now, the Lucid stock price must stay above $10 to achieve a target of $20. So, what do you think of what analysts think of Lucid stock? Do you agree with them? Share your thoughts with us in the comments section below. And while you're at it, make sure to smash the like and subscribe buttons as well. Now, if you want to know about some good news from Lucid Motors, then make sure to click and watch this video right here and enjoy. And that's the end of this video, guys. See you next time.